All right, so number 37, perform the indicated operation and simplify. And what we have here is a slightly more complicated version of number 36. We're going to factor each numerator, factor each denominator, and then once we've factored everything, we're going to see if there are any factors that can cancel out. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to start up here, k squared plus 13k plus 40. We know that there's no GCF there, and we have three terms, so we're going to be either factoring by the AC method or scissors or trial and error. But actually, with all of these, if you look, we're going to be using a more simplified method of factoring, right? So all we're doing is taking a look, are there any factors of 40 that can add to give us a positive 13? Well, let's see. If we break down this k, how about 8 and 5? So plus 8 and plus 5. And now let's factor the bottom here. Again, no GCF. It's a simplified factoring in the sense that our coefficient here is a 1. So let's break that k up into k and k. And factors of 64 that add to 16. Well, how about 8 and 8? And now times. Is there a GCF here? Yeah, there sure is, right? We can take out a k, and when we do that, we're left with k plus 8 over, and again, no GCF here in this last denominator. Let's break up that k, and now we're looking for factors of 15 that subtract to give us a positive 2, so how about plus 5 and minus 3. All right, so now that we've factored each numerator and denominator as much as we can, let's go through and cancel any factors that are identical. And just as a reminder, you can cancel up and down, you can cancel diagonally in either direction, right? So left to right or right to left. You cannot, however, go directly left to right. All right, so this k plus 8 and this k plus 8 we cannot cancel because that would be a left to right movement. All right, so up and down okay, and diagonally is okay, but not straight left to right. So let's see what we have here. K plus 8, gone, right? That was up and down. K plus 8, gone. That was a diagonal. K plus 5, gone. That was a diagonal again. And it looks like that's it. So what are we left with here? Well, this whole entire fraction's gone, right? We're only left with two terms here. We're only left with a k over k minus 3. And so there you have it, the final answer for number 37. So again, when you're presented with something like this that asks you to perform the indicated operation and simplify, all you want to do is factor the numerator, factor the denominator, factor the numerator, factor the denominator. You'll end up with something that looks like this. Cancel all those factors that are identical, making sure that you follow the rules as far as you can cancel up and down or diagonally, just not left to right. And then whatever you're left with, you want to multiply together, or in this case, we were simply left with one fraction because this whole entire fraction canceled out. So we were just left with a k over k minus 3, and that was our final answer, so number 37.